Following the floods of 2022 in Sindh, Oxfam and its partner LHDP prepared a telephone catalogue called Referral Directory in the local language for the villagers living far from the city centres. One such receiver of the directory was Hameeda, living with her 4 children in the village of Ali Gohar Chandiyo, located in the district Shahdadkot. One evening she felt her youngest daughter, Amna, was suffering from intense fever and stomach pain. The little girl was having fits and was unconscious. Since the mother lives alone with her children, she rushed outside for help.
शाम जो पर हुयसि खणण जे लाइ मां ॾाढो परेशान हुयमि। अस्पताल कुछ दूर हुई त मुंहिंजी मदद केरु कंदो। वो लाड़ा वारा आया भाई, वो असांखे कुछ हे ॾिनो ख़र्चो। इन में को डॉक्टर जो नंबर भी हुयो। वो असांजो शेरखान आहे, जे भाउ जनरल सेक्रेटरी आहे, उन्हनि मुंहिंजी मदद कई। डॉक्टर सां राते में रहिया। वो पेट में सूर हुयसि या अक्सर बुखार हुयसि, वॾी तकलीफ़ हुयसि कि घर वारो भी कान हुयो। वो उन्हनि मूंखे माना शेरखान असांजी मदद भी कई, लाड़ा वारनि असांखे पर्चो भी ॾिनो। इन में डॉक्टर सां शेरखान राते में रहियो भी सही।
All the stakeholders in the referral directory were directly approached during the making. The doctor quickly understood the reference and advised necessary emergency treatment. Several public assistance services for urban and rural citizens exist, however, due to the difficult access process and lack of periodic upgradation and dissemination of information, only marginal benefits are achieved.